Welcome, my dear friends, dear students, dear parents, and our well-wishers. Welcome to another grand episode of releasing the genius within you. To release the genius within you, that is our main aim of Shashank Tutors. We are having a series of video lectures on developing your inner psyche and how to go about it in a scientific way in order to release the genius within you. To do something unique, different, but yet very effective. So I will ask, I am Chettiar sir, Francis Chettiar. My name is Francis Chettiar. People call me Chettiar sir. I have teaching experience of more than 31 years, right from KG to PG. I have been speaking and teaching to people. So you'll find me interesting and you'll find these lecture series very interesting. They dwell mostly on developing your higher self so that you can release, definitely you can release the genius within you, you can release the uniqueness within you. So I'll start with a question first. What is the difference between you and a computer? What's the difference between a human being and a computer? A computer can do so many things. It can remember so much with accuracy, and every time a question is put to it, it will repeat. It will repetitively give the same answer without fail. N number of things it can do, and looking at the operation of a computer, a human being will feel very inferior or low. And then all the jobs are given to computers and not to human beings. So how are we different from a computer? The primary difference is, people will say human beings are made computers, if computers fail, human beings repair them and all that. Fine, that's great. And they don't repair. Human beings self-repair. When they fall sick, they can repair. They get repaired on their own, even without medicines. If you follow the higher sciences, no need of medicines also. But even with medicines, we repair ourselves. If we fall, we know how to rise. A computer doesn't. We have to repair it. But the main difference, the most primary, essential difference is consciousness. Consciousness, yes, Chetana. Consciousness doesn't exist in a machine. It exists in a human being. 80% of a human being, 80% of the parts of the human being is filled with consciousness. It is aware. It can be made to be aware. Maybe the hairs and the nails, yes, may not have that much consciousness, or they don't have, but the other parts of the body are having consciousness. And yes, we say that we have consciousness, computer doesn't. And then what do we do with the consciousness? For that we got to know what is the characteristics of consciousness. What does consciousness give us? It gives us two things. One is awareness. When you are awake, you are aware of your friends, you are aware of your parents, you are aware of the lecture, you are aware of your body, you are aware of your thoughts in the background, you are aware of the things which happen in the front, you are aware of the things which happen in the background, like for example your thoughts. So consciousness gives you two gifts, two valuable gifts. One is awareness, and number two, consciousness gives you bliss, ananda. The bliss that you experience from consciousness, you don't get it in the waking state. You get it in your sleeping state. So when you sleep, consciousness puts you in bliss, flashes of bliss, fleeting moments of bliss pass intensely within your entire nervous system, through your entire chakra system, through your entire body. As a result, you can get up fresh in the morning. When you sleep, you don't eat anything, there is no activity, nothing. It is that the body rests. But the body can rest even during the daytime. But you don't get that deep a kind of refreshed, relaxed rest that you experience in sleep. Why does that happen? Because consciousness gives you or fills you with bliss when you are asleep. And unfortunately, the bliss that you experience in your sleep is not made available to you in your conscious awareness. So when you wake up, the bliss is lost, awareness is there. But because you are blissful, the body has gained sufficient energy to work for the next 12 hours or more to be aware. Even if your awareness for the whole day is very nice, very relaxed, very joyful, very enjoyable, but still at the end of the day you get tired. You want to go back to sleep to experience the bliss which is the gift of consciousness. Can you experience both together? The bliss, can you hold on to the bliss that you experience in your sleep with full awareness? Can you do it? No, unfortunately no, nobody can do it. No normal human being can do it. To release the genius within you, you should be able to gain awareness of the bliss that you experience in your sleep and hold on to it. If you can do that, you can say, yes, I have achieved what the Buddha has achieved. I am the liberated one. I am the true human being, or I am a superhuman. You should be able to hold on to the bliss that you experience in your sleep with full awareness. Now to come to that level or to that point, there are a number of exercises, a number of hours which you have to put in. We will be encouraging you and helping you in putting in that much amount of practice in small chunks of time. In small intervals, you will be taken up one step at a time, one comfortable step at a time. So please be with these series of releasing the genius within you. Use these video series, like them, comment on it, share it, be connected to us, subscribe to us, and most important, join Shashank Home Tutors. But for these higher video series, after watching our video, you can connect with yourself, of course. Yes, these videos will help you to connect to yourself, which is most important, connecting to yourself, because the source of joy is you. I'll come to that very soon. So be connected with us so that we'll help you to connect with yourself, so that you can connect yourself with your studies right now, and your guardians and parents, etc. They can connect themselves to be successful in life, to be relaxed, to be happy, to be extraordinarily unique, as every individual is. And definitely you are a genius, and we will make you release that genius. So releasing the genius in you is our motto.